In this video, I'll show you how to manage Facebook quality settings so you can control the quality of photos and videos you upload. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the Settings page, scroll until you find the Media or Media and Contacts section and tap on it. Here you will see options related to photo and video quality. Look for the option called Upload HD Photos and Upload HD Videos. Turn on these options if you want your photos and videos to be uploaded in higher quality. If these options are turned off, Facebook may compress your media to save data. You may also see options related to video autoplay or data saver. You can adjust these settings depending on whether you want better quality or lower data usage. After making the changes, your settings will be saved automatically. Managing these options helps improve the quality of the content you upload and watch on Facebook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.